I have a White Rain Boutique Collection Daily Foot and Heel Cream in here. This is just what I use when I forget to put lotion on my feet. So, yeah. I have a couple pairs of glasses. This is what I got from Forever 21. They're like hot pink glasses here. Got those. And the motorcycles decides to drive by. Here is another pair I got for $3 at, of course. I got these from Walmart. These were $3. Pretty cool. I got these at a convention, the Girls Night Out. I don't know, bought these there. I have a Jessica Simpson case with these fashion glasses I got from Dollar Tree. Love them. I like big frames. Down here I have a sample Axe spray for her. Love it. I have a Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara in case I forget to do my mascara. Or if I'm in a rush, I have a Baby Lips Dr. Rescue in, I think it's Just Peachy. I have a clip and a Sexiest Fantasies Strawberries and Champagne. I believe I found this at Walmart a while ago. I have a little case from Walmart. No, not Walmart. I got this at Dollar Tree. So that's there. I'll show you what's in this little thing. I got this case from Dollar Tree. So I'll just show you what's in it. Here I have an emergency like things in here. I'll show you what's in it. Right here. Pulling this out, I have double-sided tape, nail polish remover pad, Advil, Blistex, I have an alcohol prep, I have a Dermadoctor moisturizing moisturizer cream for your face. I have hairspray, a little bit left. I have some, let's see, ice drops for fresh breath. Okay. In this middle compartment, in my middle thing's kind of a mess, but I have another little mini bag here that I keep some stuff. I have a little Elizabeth Arden mirror. I have some of these Scope Outlast mini brushes. Lysol spray to go. This is awesome. I have an Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion. I have the Elizabeth and James Nirvana for her. This is Nirvana Black, my favorite fragrance. I have another Scope Outlast. One's missing, I used it. And I have some Banaka breath strips. The gum at the moment is the Trident Passionberry Twist. I'm not too fond of it. I guess it's alright. Trying that out. Fragrance from Bath and Body Works. This is Butterfly Flower. That's what I'm keeping in here right now. I'm going to have to switch it out for a fall fragrance. I also have this Waikiki Beach Coconut Ultra Shea Body Cream. It's my favorite at the moment. I'm going to have to switch it out for a fall fragrance. I have another lotion. I don't know why, in case. I have a White Rain Shea Butter Body Lotion from the Boutique Collection. I have another one. Cool and Fresh Lotion from CVS. Don't know. I have my iPod in here. It's right here. It's a little arm one. I have my TomTom. Another Vino lotion. This one's almost empty. I have a packet of e.l.f. lotion wipes, vanilla and coconut. Those are my favorites. I love these. And that's it in there. I have chargers and whatnots and all that. I'm gonna show you what CDs I keep in here. This is what I'm listening to at the moment. It's my favorite. It's the Magic Mike XXL soundtrack. Love it. I have Wiz Khalifa CD. I like this too. I listen to the Twilight Breaking Dawn. I listen to that from time to time. And that's Breaking Dawn. This one is the original Twilight CD. I like that one too. The Red Hot Chili Peppers Greatest Hits is my fave. I have a Drake CD in here. It's alright. I have, of course, Michael Jackson's greatest hits. These are the number ones. So I wanted to show you this makeup bag that I bring with me in the car if I don't have time to do my makeup at home. I grab this little baby right here and I take it with me in the car. So let's get right into it. The first thing I'm pulling out is an eyeshadow palette. This is the Wet n Wild Walking on Eggshells palette. It's a little trio and I love this one. In here I have two lip glosses. One is the Buxom lip gloss in the shade Katie. It's a beautiful peach. I have this one. This is the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Eclair. I have Milani lipstick in 62 Matte Blissful. La Vida Loca. It's the impression of the Juicy Couture Viva La Juicy lotion. So just to lotion my hands. I have a sample of the Peter Thomas Roth Bouncing Gel. I just use this for moisturizer. I have this e.l.f. eyebrow kit. I have this Wet n Wild Cover All Pressed Powder in the shade Medium. I have this e.l.f. foundation palette in the shade Light Medium. That's what it looks like. I have a Buxom Divine Glottis Illuminator for a highlight. I have a little sponge for my Laura Mercier Invisible Loose Setting Powder. Just a little sample size of that. I have the POREfessional face primer by Benefit. I have an Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. I have the new Instant Age Rewind Eraser and Dark Spot Concealer in the shade Light Medium. I use this one for my pores, just right in here in the T-zone. And this one right here is the L'Oreal Revitalift Miracle Blur Instant Skin Smoother. I use this for the rest of the face. It's just a little sample size for face primer. I have a travel size Urban Decay Perversion Mascara. I have a little eyelash curler. It's a little travel one. I have an NYX blush in the shade Pinched. And I have the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. So that's everything in this bag that I keep in my car. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.